Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to use time converter or time zone converter actually on this device. So fortunately, we do not really have to download any kind of third-party app because it is included in the clock app, which is pre-installed on this device. So just localize the clock and tap on it. Usually we will start with the alarm section, so just move to the second option for the time zone, and at the top we've got our current time, and under it we've got the cities that we've previously chose. So let me show you how to add new one. So probably you've got anything here. So just tap on this plus icon, and now we are transferred to this, let's say, globe on which we can choose the time. So I'll pick Denver, tap on it and tap on add. As you can see, it will immediately appear on this list. What you can also check immediately is that how many hours the specific city is behind or ahead, which is great. You do not really need any kind of math because your device will do it for you. Moreover, if you want to, you can convert the time for a specific schedule, let's say. So just tap on this option, which is right in the middle, those two boxes, tap on it. And now we've got local time at the top, which is great. And we've got also the current time in different cities of our choice. So if you'd like to, you can simply, for example, add, I don't know, like 5 hours and 30 minutes to a specific to our local time, and immediately your device will show you what time will be in other places. Moreover, which is interesting, you can do it not only for your local time but also for the specific city. So for example, let's pretend I'd like to use the Tokyo, and I'd like to check which one. I'd like to, for example, check that if in Tokyo is 9 a.m. then what time will be in other places. So just set the time and tap on done, and as you can see, your device will immediately show you the converted time in each city. So we've got obviously local time and Denver, New Delhi, and etc. etc. If you want to, you can quickly add new city just by tapping on this plus icon, and again you've got this map, so you can go through it and just find the option, for example this one. Just tap on it, tap on add, and your device will immediately show it to you. So basically this is how it works. If you want to remove some cities here, I recommend going back. So just go to this section here, and now you can tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on edit, and mark those which you want to remove. I will remove all. So this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.